I'm here in Romania, next to Constanța, in Eforie. Got this room in this beautiful pension hotel. I don't know if it's a pension hotel, no? With this view, this balcony, and it's really, really nice. And from here you can see Constanța's there. I came here because I wanted to go to Danube and to see those wildlife and so on. And let's see how it will be. But now I'm enjoying this room and I am paying just 22 euros per night with this. And yeah, now it's very cheap, but no, so the first day I paid 22, the second day also, but because I talk with the owner, if I don't know, can pay like directly to her. And today I checked on booking, it was 30 euros. And I guess during the summer it will be maybe 80 or 100 euros, or maybe more, I don't know. So this is the entrance, and then you have those stairs that they just renewed. And this is the kitchen and the living room, let's see. Another toilet. And then it's close. Okay. Here we have to make a coffee. This is what? Well, maybe it's a fridge, I don't know. No, it's a double door refrigerator. Yeah, that's what this is. From here to Eforie, it's the beach here. I just have to drive 1 hour 45, 124 kilometers to the fortress, and then I will go to Tulcea. Stop that guy, that shipper, to take some pictures, and he said okay, no problem. And yeah, I think I will arrive to my destination much later than it's supposed to be. Fortress, and this one, it was built more or less in the 1300, more or less the 14th century, and yeah, it's really beautiful, and nobody knows who built it. Someone think it's a Genoese guy who was coming here on Delta and so on. Other people are saying that it was someone else, but for what I understood, who would take control of it was the grandfather of Vlad Țepeș, Dracul. open from Tuesday to Sunday. Then it says here, I was full. Monday also, but I think this was an old one, so they just wrote it down by pain. It's open. After 8, nobody can enter and nobody can stay inside. It's open from 10 to 6. The entrance is 10 lei, which is 2 euros. For kids, all the pensioners and so on, for 1 euro. If you have under 7, it's free. If you bring a camera for a professional like film and so on, it's 100 euro for each camera, and for pictures 20 euro. And if you pay a tax of to see how they live before and the entrance, it's like 12 lei, so 2,40 euro. It's nice that it's clean. The view, wow. And this actually is free, even if it has this for coins. Can you see? So happy, so happy. So I bought a ticket, which was just 2 euros, I mean 10 leis, and so this is the fortress inside, nothing left. But yeah, even if I knew already, because I flew with the drone, I wanted to, let's say, pay something, because no, it's not a really big deal. And yeah, maybe it will help. At least to pay the guy who is outside. I mean, yeah, at the entrance. So that one is Babadag Lake, which is smaller than this one, which is Erasmus Lake, which is enormous. So big. So here we are in Tulcea. So now I got this hotel. It's quite big. They even have a big parking and flowers everywhere. And there is the entrance, but we don't have where to park before to do check-in. So that's how it is. I just hope they will give me also the room with the bathroom, because it's for like the reason why I booked this place. Because I want to take a bath. is annoying here in Tulcea is that all the streets around the city center and so on are like those stones. And it's not like so easy to walk. Nice houses here. It looks like in the 80s, 90s, you know. So this is the other hotel I book. Let's see how it is inside. I mean, I saw already before, but yeah. So those are the prices to leave the car. Usually you should have to pay, I don't know, 25 lei, which is 5 euros for the full day, like 10 hours. Because the expeditions are for like 9-10 hours. What is this? I spotted there the military navy is there. So this I think is the largest mosque in Tulcea. And yeah, I was wondering why there are mosques here, because not only this place it was conquered by Turkish, so why? But only in Constanța or here, like the east part of Romania, next to the beach, there are some mosques. A normal neighbor. If you see there on the right, they are smoking shisha. Okay. So here is this church, cathedral, the church, and if you scan the QR, you will know like the story of this church. Oh my gosh, I'm so tan. And then I see there's another church there. I don't know if you can see it. No, you cannot. There. See, that way. It's funny because the plate number it looks new. Oh yeah. Here in Romania, so many people have put so many roses. See, it's a cultural thing. I cannot see it too close, but yeah. This is the most famous monument they have here. This was built because Carol I, the king of Romania, he wanted. Then you have the sign here, like Hollywood. So I'm leaving the room. So I'm ready to go to the tour. I will leave those in the car and go. So 200 legs things of 10. So I get my coffee and I'm ready to leave.